guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Ipsy bag unbagging for November. We have an animal print, which I'm not too fond of. And it did come with a card. I'll show you that at the end. It does list out the products. So first up, I think this is the one that I picked. It's a microdermabrasion scrub. It says it has a citrus oil blend and dead sea salt. I ran out of all my face scrub and I've really needed it lately, so that's my first sample. Next I have some toner. This says it's a bitter green essence toner. Definitely use that. Then we have Lottie Wing Woman. This is a liquid eyeliner. So far pretty good. Then Gold Faden MD Plant Perfusion Supreme Serum. So some facial serum, which I've been using a lot of lately. And last but not least, Ciate London. It's an eyeshadow. I hate these packaging. It's always really hard to get out. They're so snug in there that I always end up ripping it. There we go. So this one is called Plum Up. That's the shade. And it's this pretty metallic color that basically matches the packaging. Looks like it's the same exact color. So that is what I have for you today. If you'd like to subscribe to Ipsy, make sure you check out the link below. I have it in my description box. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.